Today, we're going to expound on congruent triangles and specifically expound on this acronym right here, C.P.C.T.C, which stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. And we'll do a brief example here. So we have triangle HIJ is congruent to KLM. So what are the corresponding parts and the corresponding angles? Well, we see here that HI corresponds to KL. HI and KL are congruent. JI corresponds to LM. JI and LM are congruent. And we have HJ that corresponds to KM, which are also congruent. Now, in terms of the angles, we see angle I corresponds to angle L. Angle I and L are congruent. Angle M corresponds to angle J, which are also congruent. And lastly, angle H corresponds to angle K, which are also congruent. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe.